How to fix unable to load camera roll on Messenger. This tutorial shows you how to fix the issue of not being able to send photos in Messenger on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Messenger. From there, tap Photos and make sure it's set to full access. Then check that camera access is also turned on. If permissions were already enabled and the issue is still there, try this workaround. Open Messenger, go into any chat, and instead of tapping the gallery icon, tap the camera icon. Once the camera screen opens, look at the bottom left corner where you'll see a small preview of your gallery. Tap on that and it should load your camera roll without the error. If that still doesn't work, tap the gallery icon again, and when the error appears, look for a Google Photos option at the top right of the screen. Tap on it and it will redirect you to your photos where you can select and send them as normal. Keep in mind, this is sometimes just a temporary bug, so if none of the above works, make sure your Messenger app is fully updated from the Play Store, or try restarting your device. Either of those can clear it up on their own. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the camera roll issue on Messenger, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.